BMW R90 is not just a motorcycle, it is a chapter of motorcycling history. First introduced in the 1970s, the R90 represented German engineering at its purest: smooth boxer power, timeless design, and long-distance reliability. Now, imagining the 2026 BMW R90 Rider Showroom explores how this iconic machine could return in a modern form while respecting its legendary soul. This reimagined 2026 R90 blends classic heritage with contemporary technology, targeting riders who crave nostalgia without sacrificing modern performance. Classic heritage meets modern philosophy. The soul of the R90 has always been simplicity, balance, and mechanical honesty. In the 2026 interpretation, BMW would likely retain the unmistakable boxer identity while refining every detail for today's standards. The flat twin layout remains central, symbolizing low center of gravity and smooth power delivery. The design philosophy would not chase aggressive sports styling but instead celebrate elegance, symmetry, and timeless road presence, exactly what made the original R90 unforgettable. Reimagined boxer engine for 2026. At the heart of the 2026 BMW R90 concept lies a modernized air-cooled boxer engine. While preserving the classic boxer character, the engine would be tuned for smoother torque delivery and improved efficiency. Expected displacement would hover around 900 cubic centimeters, delivering refined power suitable for relaxed cruising and long-distance touring. Ride-by-wire throttle, updated fuel injection, and modern emissions compliance ensure that the bike feels contemporary while still sounding and behaving like a true BMW boxer. This engine is not about chasing top speed, it is about effortless momentum and mechanical harmony. Transmission and riding experience. A smooth 6-speed gearbox would be paired with BMW's signature shaft drive system. This setup emphasizes durability, low maintenance, and a premium riding feel. The riding experience of the 2026 R90 would focus on comfort, predictability, and confidence. Power delivery remains linear, making the bike ideal for highways, countryside roads, and everyday urban riding. Rider Showroom highlights that this motorcycle would appeal to riders who value riding feel over raw numbers. Timeless design with subtle modern touches. Visually, the 2026 BMW R90 would stay true to its roots. A round LED headlamp with a classic housing, sculpted fuel tank with retro BMW badges, and a minimalist tail section define its presence. Chrome accents blend with brushed aluminum finishes, while modern LED lighting and discrete digital elements enhance usability. The seat remains long and flat, maintaining the traditional silhouette while offering improved cushioning for long rides. This design is not about trends, it is about legacy. Modern chassis and suspension setup. Underneath the retro styling, the chassis would be thoroughly modern. A lightweight steel frame combined with optimized geometry ensures stability without compromising comfort. Suspension duties would be handled by modern telescopic forks at the front and an adjustable rear shock setup, tuned for smooth road absorption rather than aggressive cornering. This makes the 2026 R90 a true gentleman's motorcycle, calm, composed, and confidence-inspiring. Braking and safety technologies. Safety is where modern engineering truly shines. The 2026 BMW R90 concept would include dual-disc brakes with ABS as standard, ensuring controlled stopping power in all conditions. Advanced rider aids such as traction control and selectable riding modes may be subtly integrated, allowing riders to enjoy modern safety without disrupting the classic riding experience. Everything works quietly in the background, never intrusive, always supportive. Digital yet minimal instrument cluster. The instrument cluster would strike a balance between analog charm and digital precision. A classic round speedometer with an integrated digital display provides essential information like gear position, fuel range, and ride mode selection. This approach respects traditional riders while offering the convenience expected from a 2026 motorcycle. Comfort and touring capability. The R90 has always been known as a long-distance companion. In its 2026 form, ergonomic handlebars, relaxed foot peg positioning, and a well-padded seat ensure fatigue-free journeys. Optional touring accessories such as panniers, windscreens, and heated grips would make the motorcycle suitable for cross-country rides, reinforcing its touring DNA. Rider Showroom considers this bike a perfect blend of weekend leisure and everyday usability. Target audience and market position. The 2026 BMW R90 would appeal to mature riders, collectors, and enthusiasts who appreciate heritage motorcycles with modern reliability. It sits comfortably between retro roadsters and premium touring bikes. This is not a motorcycle for speed chasers, it is for riders who value craftsmanship, history, and emotional connection. Final thoughts from Rider Showroom. The imagined 2026 BMW R90 represents more than a revival, it represents respect for motorcycling history. By blending classic boxer charm with modern engineering, BMW could create a machine that speaks directly to the heart. For riders who believe that motorcycles should tell stories, not just numbers, the R90 would remain a timeless icon reborn. This deep dive concept review is brought to you by Rider Showroom, where legends never fade, they evolve.